Hi Kitty, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw an earth, so let's get started. First, start by drawing a round circle here. And then two round big eyes. Inside with a circle and another smaller circle. Inside with lines. And the mouth. Now draw the hands. And a heart shape here. Now just following with me. Now we have an earth. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.